just make me bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Anjoy Okichuku, and today I'm going to be taking you guys on my hair growth journey. Yeah, I'm just starting it though. Guys, my hair be breaking a lot. It's very dry and just keeps pulling. I don't know why. So I'm trying to look for a way to retain my hair and definitely grow it longer, because it grows but it breaks. So I'm very gentle with my skin, with my hair, sorry. At this point I'm really gentle, like I watched on YouTube, but it still pulls. So I'm going to be doing the deep protein treatment with avocado, pear, and some mixtures. Guys, just come with me. So I'm applying coconut oil to my scalp, and I'm not going to comb it till I wash it. So this is what it's been looking like. My hair keeps pulling and it's annoying. You know, they say Nigerians, we cannot grow our hair, but I'm coming to prove you guys wrong. I hope I pull this off. Because I've almost given up on this hair, but you know, I just want to grow my hair. That's just it. And this is the amount of hair that came out. Fair enough, because I was really gentle. So guys, I heard that applying moisturizer on the hair before and after washing really prevents breakage, prevents hair loss, and that is what we are trying to do. We are trying to retain my hair, so I'm not going to comb it. I'm just going to apply the moisture and wait till because what I've lost is enough. I don't want to lose more. So I apply the moisture and that's it. I also applied moisture at the ends of my hair, and gosh, see the breaking, guys. But anyways, they say trust the process, and this is what I did. So now I'm going in with my protein mixture, my avocado. The avocado reduces dandruff, it hydrates your scalp, it makes your hair appear healthier, preventing breakage, moisturizes it, and it's acts as natural sunscreen to the hair, so it's really good for your hair. So you want to smash it with your fork. If you have a blender, that will be preferable. So you want to smash it till it's pap like and it's not having a lot of seeds, you know, because you don't want that seed on your hair, making it hard to wash. Now we're going in with the egg. The yolk is loaded with healthy fats, which helps replenish moisture and makes strands look silky and shiny. It's because hair is 80% protein. Applying rich egg to the hair helps replenish the protein loss through styling, making the hair stronger and better able to withstand heat. So guys, it's already looking good after whisking, and now I'm going to be adding my oil. I'll be starting with the coconut oil. It prevents protein loss, moisturizes and protects the hair. The shea butter locks in moisture and have a lot of hair benefits. The vitamin E oil, it also have a lot of hair benefits and is said to increase hair growth. So guys, these are the oils I added to my mixture. I added 2 seeds of vitamin E oil and I mixed it up very well, you know, and now my protein is looking good. So guys, this is after I washed the hair, and this is what came out after combing. I guess I didn't put enough moisture. Let's just give that as an excuse. So I already sectioned my hair into 3 parts, and I'll be applying my protein mixture to this 3 parts of my hair. So I'm applying it to the tail comb, obviously. And already I was thinking, who am I fooling, guys? This is going to be hard for me, so I had to get messy. So I had to use my hands to apply it properly. On and on and on. Section 1 part of my hair and apply the protein mix directly on my scalp. You know, the benefit has to go down there, do its work. So after applying it, I massage the hair and also apply it at the end of my hair, at the end of the hair. and this is what it's looking like. So I gave it a good massage again, wrapped it up, and started with the next ones. Guys, my hair is green, it's green, oh yeah. So now I'm going to be going in with my shower cap because it's already late at night, and I thought, why not just sleep on it? Why not just sleep on it, let it steam to the next day. So I wear my hair bonnet and I go to sleep. The next day, guys, this is my hair after washing and drying, and this is overall what I brought out of it. Though I still do not moisturize it enough, I felt if I had taken care of it enough, I shouldn't break this much. But anyways, guys, except this, my hair feels good. It feels soft, it feels healthy, in fact, and I cannot wait to continue on this hair journey and give you guys updates on how I am growing my hair. I'm so excited, guys. So we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. Mwah.